I'll delete that. I'll delete this one. The old one. Can you hear me right now? Let me delete the old stream. Oh, I can't. I have to wait. I'll do it later, but I'm still waiting for this to compile. I'm still waiting for the build. Also have to fix those stuff, many new bugs that I created. Like those. Let me check. I should delete all of those code that I made and make all of this work inside of this object. It's gonna be too much work. What is the name of the team that is playing from now on? What do you mean? Is this even doing something? Finally. Right. This is so bad. Even is it even finding the collision? That's what I'm wondering here. Top. Let's say bottom, I don't care. Bottom. Inbox top. With physics parent. Let me make this 0, it doesn't matter. Alaikum salam, Gika Hosab. Team of the game, there's no team. There's no team, bro. I don't know what you mean by that. The only team that there is, I mean, development dev team like this. But there's nothing. Yeah, I was on a vacation, like 3 weeks. So, you know, let me check this now. This is very difficult. I mean, it should tell there's collision, but there's not finding any collision. I can try something else, but I'll try this way first because I don't like that way. Yeah, there's not throwing any errors, so there's no error. It's meaning that this code is not working. Alright, let me go for the second collision object. Blocks, no, nothing like that. Enemies, no. Let me check where this is. This is on main, parent, NPC parents, NPC, yeah, this one. So let me just delete this one and make here move object. Let me check if there's collision with this one, like this way. Yep. Bro, what is that name, bro? Just figure that out, but please don't do that. No, bro. Let me check this. What is this? Ribbons. What is this? I have to change something. Just a second. Alright. Let me check if I can get the error. Yep. Perfect. Not perfect, but it's okay. Now, instead of what was before, let me check the code up here. Or I can just go to physics parent here. Power-ups, kill and collision. I have to ignore this. I have to copy this part. Mm. This is too down. Power-ups are those. This is too much scrolling. I have to find another way. Is there too? Oh no. So I guess I will do something like this. I don't care about the Mario right now. Oh my god, I opened too much code. Let me close this. Let me close this as well. What is this? Is there something about steps? Alright. I need to move this up. So I know I code faster. Cool. I have to find something that moves along when this code is executed. This one, ball build base. Alright. Good to know. So the idea is that after I finish this, I can just send this code because they already removed this. They already removed the conveyors. They already removed this because of the bugs I made, so I have to finish this if I want to make this happen. So I have to finish first, then send just the object. So I have to remove the old code I made with many bugs. Alright. So power-ups here. Kill and collision. Don't move on conveyors. And event user 3. What's there? He's checking collision for what reason? I forgot. Alright, I don't care about this. This is not part of what I need it for. Because there are no collision for that one. They're just checking to move the objects. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it there. What else did I need here? First, let me copy the moving part. In middle, blah blah, what is that? If this exists, of course this exists because I'm checking the collision there, so I don't have to check that. But I have to copy this one and check the variables I need. Let me remove this, those unnecessary spaces. Nice. Here, like that. Now I need this in middle and this collision. Collision equals fail, false, left solid, blah blah blah. So I need to get those left, right solid, so on. Left solid collision, right solid, those. I'll just get those right away. Right. So I got those. Left cannon. And yeah, this is only for so I'm not gonna, this is only for making enemies to die. I'm not gonna get that part. Inside collision, I don't need that as well. So I got those. I need second or first conveyor. What was that about? So it stays middle, alright. First or second conveyor, alright. I'm gonna get this one. Alright. So I have first, second, stay in middle, collision first. Collision is this one. Conveyor already exists, so I'm not gonna check that. Var collision equals to this. Like this, nice. What else did I have to check? Collision is added. Now I have to copy the stay in middle. I need to remove this if conveyor here. Remove those. So let me go and copy this conveyor dot without the space. That's bad. I cannot do that. It's okay. Where did I? I'll just copy this and paste here. Right. So I just have to check this can stay in the middle and the same speed. Can stay in middle equals to true. Alright. What else? Can stay in middle, true. Where did I change this? Can stay in middle equals to false when there's collision inside, blah blah blah. So there is no collision with the other objects. Alright. To copy this. There's no event user 3. None of that. Else can say middle true. Right. Okay. So I got that. Can stay in middle. Do I need something else the same speed? What is this? The same speed. Alright, I got it. Those were some objects that I need to be in the same speed as Mario. And the inside collision as well. Alright, I'll get that. Right, now let's check this out. Oh, first I have to remove this part. I have to block this. First let's remove the part. Oh my god. The part where I move stuff, like there. Right there. And let's try some stuff. Let's see if they move. Like ball bills or something like that. No, it doesn't work. This was supposed to work though. Let me check this out. But I have to remove any of those codes. Unnecessary codes. No. See, it's not even going there. It's because of something like there, I don't know. Collision left or right or pinchos or I had to check some stuff. Like, where's the problem here? Let's do it like this. And see if it moves stuff. I mean 3.4.4, but I'm just, this is like a branch or something. Nah. Oh, I see where the problem is. I can pretty much tell where the problem is. That was my bad. That was my bad. Um, thank you, bro. They probably were like in our Arab chat, I think. Because I don't know no Arab. Yep, this is what I want. Let me test with 2. Do they move the same or faster? Oh. This is where this is getting interesting. It was working for a bit, but now it's not working. Like, it's working for the first time, but then after, not working. See? Yep, very, very confusing. Maybe if I do add the, as it was before here, like conveyors. Let me do that. This one. And instead of other, I'll just do the normal conveyor. Let me check where I copied it. Can make this on top, I don't know, I don't care. Minus stay in middle. Why does this stay in middle? Let me just copy this first. And paste it here. So instead of others, I'll just do this. Yeah, there's one thing. I should do this here. No, I'll just it's for the best if I hit till right there. Alright. Let me check it now. It was a bug when a physics variant of conveyor image speed. So interesting. It's saying that this doesn't exist for some reason. This is saying, it's saying that this was not defined or something like that. Let me check how was it there before. If conveyors exist, right? Yeah, here. I'm gonna just copy this. Make it back as how it was. I wasn't like there. Or was it down there? Um. Right. This seems fine now. So it's not fine. For as long as I just start moving this around, it's not working. Or is it? Nah, see, this is why I don't like this. Should I start again from scratch? Let me look carefully to what I'm doing. First conveyor, second conveyor. I don't know, let me just take rid of this. Stay in the middle and stuff. Yeah, let me just take rid of this. What else is there? Inside collision, let me take rid of this. Or let me just keep that, I don't care. Bro, I'm getting too many messages. I just check from my phone. I got too many messages. I'll just do it like that. There are too many bugs, bro. I mean, I'm trying to make all of this inside there. I can keep the old code, but it's not benefiting. Is too many code for no reason. So I'm trying to make it work in better ways. It's kind of just finding their collision, but line 40, line 40. Let's check line 40. Left belt collision, right belt collision. What's wrong with this? Let me copy the old one, because I know for sure I changed that. Left. No, not that. Okay, like that. Line 40. Get out. Hello. Now is the time where I remove my old video. Alright, this seems fine now, I guess. Let me add more. See if I spawn this down here, it's not working. And if they're two, they just move faster. So this is another reason why I should move this whole thing. in my add event collision, no collision, step, beginning step. Move objects. Now if instance exists object physics parent with object physics parent is also not good because stuff will move faster. Again, not right. Let me copy this and paste it here again. Let me check this out. There's other ways I can do this, but you know, I'm trying my best. Thinking. There's this problem where the stuff go faster. Oh, they're not going faster anymore. Yeah, they are. They definitely are. So if I add more, they go insanely faster because there are much many of them, and I don't want that. Right. So let me do something else. If this exists and if there's collision, I want to just make sure there is collision first. Let me remove all those. I want to just check if there's collision with this one. So if there's collision, I'll do something like this. Let me check this out. Usually this should work, but I have no idea why it was not giving the error before. Top left. Oh, I made a mistake here by saying top. Yeah, let's check this now. Yep. See, I made a mistake before. Alright, so let me copy this if let me just name it O collision. If object collision. Well, this should be inside here where it was. I can, oh, or I can just put it here, I don't care. If O collision, then there, instead of object index, I should put O collision. And so I'm gonna have to make sure object index, they're all replaced by O collision dot this one, right? Perfect. And also there, no, not like that, but ID, this should be changed by O collision, right? Perfect. So now instead of this, I'll just change this to this one. If this exists, if O collision, and I should remove this. To there. This sounds better. Let me check this now. And conveyors is the object itself, so I should change that as well, but let me just keep it this way. Or no, I cannot keep it this way, and I cannot keep it this way as well. But let me just try this out and see how it goes. Yeah, I knew it, because wings and so on, they're not set. Makes absolute sense. So width, I should check this out. Yeah, I might have to change those stuff, but this is also wrong, but I'll fix it slowly. They're the same thing. I start optimizing, but I have much more work to do. So it shouldn't be width. So I know for sure I have to remove this. And I know for sure I have to add too many of this. Oh collision, oh collision, oh collision. So here I should add that in every single one of those. Fix. Find box. Left. Which box? Only box. Box. Like this, but I have to start from there. There are too many boxes, right? I know. No. Perfect. Let me check this now. So I changed the boxes and stuff, and I didn't not change this, which is the worst mistake I could have done. Let me stop and do it again. Now they're just bugs with they're like there are some are with collision, some are with movements of objects from conveyors. Hello, Tony. So, rings not said before reading it. Let me check this. Abort. And like that. This sounds better. But it is going through the code. This is something positive. Perfect. Let me add now too many stuff here. This is what I don't like. What about this? Oh, I'm so sorry about this. I forgot that I have to remove this. I mean, I removed once, but still. As much as I want, there is no time. There's no time set. not gonna. No, I'll have to delete this one. Perfect. That's what I want because it's shaking. This is not what I like though. Somehow some of. See? This is very funny though. This is probably just because of there are more than just one. I'm just guessing just the last one. Or just one. So if there's just one, it works perfectly. If there are two or more, it doesn't work anymore. So, how do I fix this? I have no idea. So either I do that or I go to something like this. Collision object. Let me check where this is first. It's on interactive objects, interactive platform conveyor. Alright, got you. Add events. Collision objects. Interactive platforms, conveyors, conveyor. This one. So I'm just finding the best place to move this because you know it's bad. Maybe this is the best place though. Let me check it out. Power ups, same speed. I have to remove the O collision stuff though. O collision dot should be removed everywhere. I have to remove all one by one. Right. Perfect. Oh, not what I wanted though, but perfect. Okay. Maybe it can move to object at the same time. No, the problem is that, you know, on the steps for one frame, it's finding the closest one, you know, and it's moving just that one. So this is not the place I was supposed to code it. I was supposed to code on this here. I was supposed to code here. So I was coding at the wrong place. You know, cause yeah, see it now. See there. Yeah, see it. It was just the wrong place. See, it just was the wrong place. But the thing is that I have the code in many objects, so I should remove all of them. Let me check something like this, and now I know for sure that, yeah. See, I don't like this. This was supposed to move, but it's not. Let me go check the bullet bill place if I have that added. Conveyors. This, yeah, it's added here. So it was supposed to move it. Yeah, I was supposed to move it. So, but let me check and make some errors and see where the problem is. Here we go. I'm gonna close this one. Conveyors, blah blah. Let me add one error. Let's say there, I don't care. And yeah, let me just add it there. But I'm a programmer, I know myself that was wrong. See, Gomba, it's going there, but I don't. I think I'm just gonna stick with this as well. Oh, I see where the problem is, on the collision, because you know it's in collision with himself. Let me check the collision stuff inside. So this should not exist here. Let me remove the inside collision where this is in the inside collision, blah blah, gets removed. So it's just there. So it wasn't the problem. That wasn't the problem. Let me check what's the collision saying. Let me also remove this. There was also some other stuff. I'm sure. I'm positive. Where was this one? I should add that as well. Come on, game. Right there. So let me try this again. So this should fix my problem. it was having before. First off, let me add that. No, still not moving. And I don't know for what reason, but alright. Springland. This should be also different from what I had, right? Let me check that one. Instead. It's not moving. Very bad. Let me remove this and make an error here. Like, I don't know, here again, or where I have to move them. There. Oh. No, that's bad. Let me check the time. 4 p.m. Cool. Oh my god. I'm sure I saved it, but so. Let me close this. Let me check the Discord now because it's going nuts before. Too many messages. I have to delete this and save. Save. Let me. No, nothing. I'll just try it after. And let me bring back the error here. Let me hope. Alright, cool. That didn't make me any problem. See, this is what I mean, right? This should be moving, but instead it's not giving me any error or something like that. Let me change this. Save this. Go back in here. Or maybe is it because this object doesn't have any wings? And I should check if there's no wings. I just have to skip the checkings, I guess. The script. I think this is because of the object that has no wings, but let me check it. Yeah, it's probably because of that. Now it will give me the error, I'm 100% sure. So it's mostly because of the wing thing. No, I still get no. For some reason this isn't like working how I liked. Let me check the bullet bill. The bullet bill, I don't care about the bullet bill, I mean the bullet bill base. Not the rest, the normal one. The thing is, the code is there. What is wrong with this thing? Is there something like body, or what am I missing here? Let me check how this is created. Size Y. Step. What is written if that's not written there? That is the question. This the size final is Y for V plus index plus else index equals to 2. Sprites. What is this sprites? Yeah, but what's on bottom of it? It's just creating solid top. On the top, alright. I'm confused, but let me check other stuff. I have to check other stuff. No, I have to remove the error first. Let's keep it. I'm gonna check this. See. I'm very confused about this. Those stuff that are not moving. Let me go back to the small cannons here. It's not throwing any error. This is very not what I wanted. How was it before that it's not working now? This is so clear. They wanna make me suffer. Alright, let me try this one more time, but with other objects, like that one, the big one, the cannon, and so on. A high glitch. High glitch. Let me try this. I see where this is going. Let me try this. No. We don't want to. Alright, let me try the small cannon. Yeah, the small cannon is giving me some error. Alright, let me just try to keep it simple. Slowly. We'll get there. Left solid, blah blah. Right. If left and left cannon ID equals to ID. So collision is none. The same with the right, the same with left. Let me add something like that, something like this. Something like this. I don't care, I just want to see something, some little thing. It's getting boring. So I'm sure as heck know the reason for this now. It is saying you're on collision with yourself, which is so selfish. Let me check this. Of course, it's telling me that you are in collision with yourself. So, left cannon. The cannon is working, but for some reason, bullet bill base is not telling me that I'm in collision with myself. This is very, very, very bad. Left muncher. Left bullet bill base. Bullet bill base. And I don't get it why. Let me try something like this. Let me try this. I want to make sure that I'm finding that we were having collision in itself. That is also not the case. So where is the case? For some reason, this object is just saying no. I'm not in collision with this one, which is very bad. Because I don't know what to do. Let me ask ChatGPT something. Oh no, I'm not doing this. Or let me try it again. I cannot use it without whatever. You keep asking me for logging it. I was logging it in, but whatever. Hi, glitch. By the way, I will do one stream per week, so one stream per week, maybe every Monday. But I don't know, I'm not sure. let me check something else. What about the body of this? That's what I'm looking around. I want to check what about the body. Where's the body of this? Solid top, blah blah. I don't care about that. I want to make sure that I know the position of this one. All right. So let me check in here that I have collision. With too many code for nothing at all. Let me check if those move. No, they do not move. They move if they jump like this, but not like this. Alright, that is something. I mean, it still works somehow, not the best way possible, but it works. I was thinking something else though. Let me slowly start removing every code for what I had before. Right, so I don't have to start messing a lot with the code. Blah blah blah. No, there's just too many. And what I'm thinking is to copy the code and get the latest code. Yeah, somehow it's no. It's about declaration and how on yeah, glitch but I don't know for what reason this is not okay. Like this. Let me check stacking though. I wanna check if I can stack stuff. Yeah, this works. I mean, it's being delayed to you, not to me. I mean, I don't know. I know for a fact that I changed this thing. I changed this to make this tag. This is why I have to fix this, but I mean, for some reason this should work, but it's not. And this is also bad. It's not supposed to do that. I mean, what if it stops there? Should it do that? No. Whatever. Maybe, you know, I'll just skip this. I don't want that to make it buggy, so I'll just go to GitHub, make sure I get the latest code, and I just do a pin to this. I'll have to copy code so I don't miss all my code. Something like this. I need to copy this. This is a script. Don't move on. Now what is this name? Is it there? I don't need to say the whole thing. Alright, so I got this script. I have to get the main code, and the others doesn't matter. Like only this whole thing. New text main. Alright, I got the code. Yeah, thank you for saying that. I keep stuff organized. I'll definitely move those files from there as well. But as for now, I have to stop conveyors because, you know, there's no progress at all. I have to do something that I'll do progress. I'll just have to remove those code. Bro, I made many other bugs. You know. So as for now, I can also try to do something else. Instead of doing that, let me do something better. Let me go to my projects. Conveyors. Let me copy this. There. I'll just, you know, save the project as it is, and I'll be back there. So I'm just postponing I'm just skipping. I'm just taking a break from conveyors. you know, it's better thinking to fix the whole code instead of just. Let me just wait for this to be done first. Anyway, let me check my Discord group to see what's going on there. So first is the Yoshi box and so on. No. I have to wait for this one. So I'm just, making the conveyors work here, and the other work, normal work, I'll just do it separately from the main code, because I keep creating new bugs. Till that's done, let me do something here. What if I don't have much fun things to do, but let me go check some Mario Maker 2 stuff. I have to get my controller. Yeah, I got it. Now let's try what's on Mario Maker 2. Let me see something that I can try to add or fix or. Let me change this. Nice. Let me add a conveyor. Let me try something. Where are they? Oh, see? This is something else that I cannot do. Instead of, yeah, I see. Instead of moving it, it's giving him a v-speed. There's also something interesting. Yeah, this is far away from what's on my code. Let me check other stuff like. So they already stack. They already stack weird as my stacking was before. Alright. Let me see some other stuff here. What can I write? What is this? No, I don't care. There's no much though. Yeah, I'm still waiting for this copy. It's taking forever because there are too many files. We will try this. What happens if this? Alright, I don't like that. I mean, the way I'm saying it's... What happens if this? Alright, so it's like saying it... Alright. What happens if this? Nice. That's what I had before. It's finished? Yeah, finally. Let me get the latest code here. I didn't change anything there. Like, what the hell? Let me discard change. As I said, I want to discard all change. Discard change. Pull original. Yeah, that's gonna take some time. Hi. Let me check. GitHub. And I make so you only see... No, let me make a no, I don't want a black screen. Let me check if this is finished. Yep. Reload. Let me reload this and see if I got the old code. And I still have to sign in. Because I didn't open this for 3 weeks, so I cannot open the GitHub as well. Alright. Just a second, bro. $104. Hello. I mean, you're just spamming hi, hello. Alright. Let me check this now. Let's see what they have done to the code. I know for a fact they removed all of my code about conveyors. I know that for a fact. I also have to close too many this. close this. Closing this. Closing this. And this. Oh. I saw something that I fixed. And it's not fixed. Because of the change. Because they changed the code back. There's a whole parent there. This one, this is wrong. My god. They keep spamming like crazy. Now I should find this and make it like the old code. Hold parent, blah blah blah. Oh my god, this is gonna be hell. Objects. H A B C D. Old parent, and this is on use event 13 other 13. This is what I should be looking like. Right. So I should make sure that they have this. I should just push this. I don't care. This is the most important stuff. Alright. This is where this gets interesting. Because this don't work no more. Because the all code of conveyors are gone. Poof, gone. Nice. So I just want to make sure that I remove conveyors from their existence. Like, let me check with all stuff I can think of. No moves. Alright. This is what I want, but I also want to edit to play. Edit to play. Let's remove this. Why can't I? All right. Let me just make sure that I'm play to edit. I'm just making sure that I'm removing all that. Scene time. Alright, it's not even there. Right, perfect. So what else? I need to go to circle panel. It's this one, I guess. Yep. Disable 1. 0. Should be disabled. Right. And I also have to make sure that I'm destroying them there as well. Whatever, I'll just destroy it. Ground, single disabled 1. What is this? Fire res. What do you mean the grid is placed badly? Let me check if this is disabled. That's what I want first. Yep. Nice. I do have this, which I don't like. So I wanna get rid of this as well. If some people had that before. Play to edit. Edit to play. Play to edit. Play to edit. No, I don't care about the sound. Let me go. Nothing like that, alright. Let me check where the Synta object Synta is here. Down the clone file. There. If I'll just do the same as they did here. Object switch. Right, perfect. Not perfect, but still. Right, so I also should look if there's something like Synta. I should just destroy it right away. If sorry about this. Just have to make sure that they're all destroyed before I start playing. Oh my god. Now the color of the shapes are different. You can see some of the tiles overlapping the grid. Wait, I will see. It's all, I think, all the tiles and objects. Actually, the grid is too small. It plays badly. Let me check it. Let me check it. What you say? I don't want this. It shows first, but not after. All right. Just a second. I have to mute my mic.